You don't need to talk. Your presence should speak for you. 1. Control your emotions. Nothing makes you more powerful than staying calm when others lose it. 2. Master body language. Stand tall, shoulders back, eye contact strong. That's dominance without a word. 3. Say less. Mysterious is memorable. Loud is forgettable. 4. Build something in silence. Your results will talk louder than any flex ever could. 5. Be unpredictable. Predictable people are easy to control. Keep them guessing. 6. Walk away when disrespected. No fight, no reaction, just silence and distance. That's power. Real danger doesn't announce itself. It watches, waits, strikes with precision. Be that, and they'll feel your presence before you speak.